Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it tonight, okay? But in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so like I said earlier on, we'll be analyzing the market one after the other, and the first asset we'll be checking out is going to be Boom 1000. Okay guys, this is Boom 1000, and I'm using the 3M trend milker trading indicator right here, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame. Okay, this had been on a very strong downtrend, got to this support zone, it pulled back, and of course went back there to break out from that support zone. So it ranged around there for a while before breaking out from this support zone to get to a new support zone. So right now it should be going back on buy trend. Okay, so this should be buying more, except if it breaks out below that support zone, that is when it will keep on selling. But for now, it will be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is Boom 500, guys. This had been on a very strong uptrend right from here, and it got to this region. Okay, this actually broke out from all the TP. I mean, it got to all the TP which we highlighted this morning. Okay, for those of you that follow up with the money trade, you should have made a lot of profit with this particular asset. Let's check out that of Boom 1000. Boom 1000 also cleared all the TPs also. This is amazing, and I'm really happy about it. It was a spiky period, it got to this region, and we said it's going to go back up, and it went back up. Okay, so this is amazing, guys. And of course Boom 500 also did the same thing. You can see it right from here until it got to this region. This will have given you lots and lots of profit right from here. So that is why I always tell you to always make sure you are a subscriber of this channel. If you are a subscriber of this channel, you will always get the right information at the right time. This is an opportunity for you to make money for yourself, and you would have made money if you had followed up with this morning video. Okay, but right now it has gotten to this resistance zone, so it is selling more at the moment. It will be selling more at the moment. It's going to sell more especially till it gets to this region. Okay, this particular support zone, that is where it can have a major pullback at that particular point. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out Crash 1000 right away. Okay guys, this is Crash 1000, just the way we have seen it. This actually went fully on a big uptrend. You can see it right from here, smashing all the TPs. That's so amazing. Right now it has gotten to this resistance zone, so it will be selling more any moment from now. So this should be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out Crash 500, guys. Okay guys, this is Crash 500. In the morning we analyzed this, and we said that this will be crashing down. Got to the first TP, the second TP, and the third TP, guys. That's amazing, before pulling back up. So this is amazing, this is unique. And of course this didn't get to the fourth and fifth TP because the support here was so strong. Okay, so that's reasonable. Okay, but hitting the 3 TPs were amazing, guys. That's so amazing. So this went back on uptrend, and right now it is selling again, and it will follow the same process till it gets to this TP again, this third TP again, and of course if it gets there this time around, if it does not break out from there, then definitely to pull back up. But once it breaks out from there, then definitely to get to the fourth and the fifth, okay, this time around. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. This had been on uptrend before, but right from this resistance zone it went back on downtrend, and you can see it's selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity, but it needs to break out below this support region. Once it breaks out below this particular support region, then definitely it's going to be going for a very long time. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are the assets that, these are the analysis that we are able to do tonight. All you need to do is just to understand every part of it, and of course make sure you apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you that are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.